We are looking at winds this weekend that will be very noticeable. Saturday's the windiest day, so I figured, hey, let's start with Saturday. Let me let you know how disruptive the weather outside is going to be. By Saturday afternoon, some 35-mile-per-hour gusts. These are southwesterly gusts, so they may be a little stronger, closer to 40 miles per hour. From Summerlin and Red Rock Canyon down toward Mountain's Edge, it looks like even after dark on Saturday, those 35-mile-per-hour gusts will continue. Now, it's hot out there. Today I'm forecasting a high of 100. Tomorrow, brief dip into the upper 90s, but then Friday we're back in the triple digits, about 102 on Friday afternoon, and it will be a little gusty. It already is a little breezy outside right now, so 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts expected midday through the afternoon into the early evening. Maybe we'll dial that wind back just a notch on Thursday as well as Friday. Winds each of those afternoons should stay under 20 miles per hour before that big wind shows up on Saturday. Our temperatures are the big story. A lot of sunshine outside, that's for sure. Steady breezes, 10 to 15 miles per hour, maybe a little stronger than that at times, but it's the temperatures that tell the tale. Up to 100 during the mid-afternoon at 3 p.m., still well into the 90s during the late afternoon at 6 p.m. Sunsets right around 8 p.m., an hour after dark, 9 o'clock, and we're just settling into the low 90s. The forecast high today is just 4 degrees hotter than average, so 100 not that unusual in early June. Thankfully, we're way off of the record pace. The record from a couple of years ago, 110 degrees. We'll go for 95 today in Summerlin, 100 even in Aliante, maybe more like the upper 90s around Nellis and Sunrise Manor down to the southwest, maybe a little extra breezy in these neighborhoods this afternoon, 98 in Spring Valley, 99 around Mountain's Edge, also a bit breezy from Southern Highlands down toward the McCullough Range, those mountains in Henderson, 98 in Anthem, and it looks like downtown Henderson at least gets up to 100 degrees. Wouldn't be shocked if you got a little warmer than that on some thermometers. 96 in Pahrump, the hot spot here in Clark County. Laughlin at 104 degrees. Our temperatures tonight will drop down into the low in the mid 70s. The pollen levels remain medium this time of year, and we don't have big major weather systems cranking through with rain or cloud cover, so the allergens out there don't change too much. Ragweed, grasses, and olives still floating around, but not too problematic. So we will, after we warm up Friday and Saturday back into the triple digits, take another brief little dip to the upper 90s on Sunday. Just a little lingering breeze on Sunday. Dana, here's a first alert about big time heat next week on Tuesday. The forecast is 105. I actually think we might get a little closer to 110 by the middle of next week.